The 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R Factory is a race-ready side-by-side engineered for elite desert racing. Priced at $140,000 for the 225 horsepower model and $150,000 for the 255 horsepower HO variant. It features a race-tuned ProStar Fury 2.0 engine with a rear-mounted radiator, dual 500W fans, and an integrated transmission cooler for optimal performance. Its 4,130 chromoly steel chassis is compliant with SCORE, BITD, and UNLTD regulations, ensuring exceptional durability. The vehicle is equipped with Fox 3.0 Live Valve X2 shocks, Dynamics DV suspension with Baja mode, and Alcon brakes with Inc cab bias adjustment. Rolling on 35-inch BF Goodrich KR2 tires mounted on Method 407 bead grip wheels, it delivers outstanding traction. Additional highlights include a 130L fuel cell, MOTC digital display, Sparco 6-point harnesses, and carbon fiber components, making it a formidable contender in the off-road racing arena. The Vanderhall Brawley is a striking all-electric off-road UTV that blends brutal performance with modern convenience, starting at an MSRP of $49,950. It is powered by 4 individually controlled electric motors, one at each wheel, delivering a combined 404 horsepower, 303 kilowatts, and 480 lb-ft of torque through a 300-volt architecture with integrated cooling. Energy is supplied by a 40 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery paired with an onboard 6 kilowatts charger, offering an estimated range of 140 miles. The Brawley's advanced four-wheel drive system includes traction control and selectable modes such as e-crawl, e-tank, S-stayer, and e-crab. With 22 inches of suspension travel, 18-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires, and a fully enclosed, heated and air-conditioned cabin featuring 4 4-point harness seats, it provides exceptional comfort and control. Additional features include a leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth audio, windshield wipers, and a sealed cabin filtration system, making the Brawley as refined as it is rugged. The Potential Motors Adventure 1 is a pioneering all-electric off-road RV built on a dual-motor four-wheel drive platform that delivers 604 horsepower and 737 lb-ft of torque, powered by a 70 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, offering a claimed 100-mile off-road range. Its 64-inch wide tubular steel chassis provides a low center of gravity and features independent suspension for enhanced off-road capability. The cabover design seats 4 and sleeps 2 with a fold-out full-size bed, complemented by 88 cubic feet of storage, and a slide-out kitchenette equipped with a 2-burner propane stove, sink, and refrigerator. It also integrates Potential Motors' proprietary off-road OS terrain intelligence system for adaptive suspension and torque management. Measuring just 64 inches in width, the Adventure 1 starts at $136,600, reflecting its boutique limited production status. The Callum Skye is Callum's debut in-house all-electric multi-terrain 2+2 vehicle, engineered to deliver exhilarating performance both on and off-road. With UK pricing starting from £80,000 to £110,000 for its boutique limited production chassis. It is powered by a 42 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, offering an anticipated 170-mile WLTP range, with an optional ultra-fast charging pack capable of a full recharge in under 10 minutes. Measuring 4,047 millimeters in length, 1,900 millimeters in width, and weighing just 1,150 kilograms, the Skye accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, thanks to its low center of gravity and precision-tuned power delivery. The fully enclosed 2+2 cabin features premium materials and offers both dynamic on-road and capable off-road trim variants, ensuring comfort and versatility for discerning adventurers. The 2025 Can-Am Maverick R is a high-performance side-by-side, starting at $35,500, excluding transportation and preparation fees. It is powered by a Rotax turbocharged 999 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine, producing 240 horsepower, featuring liquid cooling and an integrated intercooler. Power is delivered through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that enables gear shifts in just 0.2 seconds for seamless torque delivery. The Maverick R features a 77-inch 4-link trailing arm aluminum HD tall knuckle suspension system with Fox 2.5 podium piggyback QS3 shocks, offering up to 12 inches of travel. It rides on 30-inch ITP Tenacity XNR tires mounted on 15-inch flow-formed wheels, providing exceptional traction. Standard features include a smart-lock front differential, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with BRP Go, app connectivity, premium LED lighting, a winch-ready bumper, one 700W magneto, half doors, and a full plastic skid plate. The eRide Pro SS 3.0 is the latest iteration of eRide's off-road electric dirt bike lineup, priced at $5,800. It is powered by a 6 kilowatts continuous, 15.8 kilowatts peak BLDC motor that delivers explosive acceleration from 0 to 30 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, with a top speed of 62 miles per hour. Energy comes from a 72V, 50Ah, 600Wh, swappable lithium battery, providing over 64 miles of range at 25 miles per hour, or more than 100 miles at 15 miles per hour, with a 20% to 90% recharge taking approximately 3.5 hours. The SS 3.0 rolls on 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels fitted with knobby tires for maximum traction, while hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Lightweight and durable, this electric dirt bike is built to tackle rugged terrain with confidence. The Corvus Terrain EX4 is a 100% electric 4x4 utility UTV designed to adapt seamlessly to demanding work environments. With UK pricing starting from £34,800, including VAT at main dealers. It is powered by a 13 kilowatts AC induction motor operating at 48 volts, delivering 150 Nm of torque through selectable 4x2 or 4x4 drivetrains with a lockable rear differential. Energy is stored in a 15 kWh lithium-ion battery, charged via a 3 kilowatts AC charger, providing up to 100 kilometers per charge. The vehicle measures 3,414 by 1,656 by 1,973 millimeters, with a 2,238 millimeters wheelbase and 309 millimeters ground clearance, and rides on 26 by 9 or 14 front and 26 by 11 or 14 rear tires, mounted on 14-inch steel rims. It features independent double wishbone suspension with 287 millimeters of travel and dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes up front for superior control. The cargo box supports a 300 kilograms payload, and the vehicle tows up to 907 kilograms in low range, making the EX4 a versatile and capable electric workhorse. The Segway Xyber e-bike, priced at $3,300, features a powerful 175 Nm high-speed motor and a full suspension system with 110 mm front and 100 mm rear travel, making it well-suited for rugged terrain. It offers an industry-leading maximum range of 112 miles using dual batteries and supports 10A fast charging to minimize downtime. Reliable stopping power comes from hydraulic disc brakes, 4-piston 220 mm up front and 2-piston 180 mm at the rear, while an intelligent lighting system with a 1,300 lumen headlight and IPX7 battery water resistance enhances safety and durability. Additional smart features include air-lock keyless locking, IoT cloud security, and a connected smart display for real-time telemetry. Weighing 63 kilograms and measuring 1,880 by 75 by 85 millimeters, the Xyber e-bike strikes a balance between agility and stability. The 2025 Kawasaki Ridge Crew HVAC delivers premium 6-passenger off-road capability, starting at $31,000 plus a $1,525 destination charge. It is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled inline-4 engine producing 92 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 65.8 lb-ft of torque at 5,500 RPM. Paired with a continuously variable transmission and selectable four-wheel drive via a locking rear differential. The fully enclosed steel cab features HVAC, bench seating for 6, and a full-color TFT display with smartphone integration through radiology. Its long-travel double wishbone suspension offers 12.7 inches of travel front and rear, while 27x9-14 front and 27x11-14 rear Duro tires on 14-inch aluminum wheels ensure strong traction. With a 12.9-gallon fuel capacity, 2,000 pounds towing capability, 1,000 pounds cargo bed load, and 1,444 pounds payload, it is built for work and adventure. Measuring 155.3 by 64 by 81.5 inches, with a 122.2-inch wheelbase, and up to 13.8 inches of ground clearance, the Ridge Crew is a versatile off-road performer. The 2025 UBCO 2x2 Hunt Edition is a $6,500 all-wheel drive electric utility bike built for hunters, featuring dual 1.7 kilowatts hub motors with a 40 miles per hour top speed and up to 75 miles of range from a 3.1 kilowatt-hour battery. Its Super X step-through frame supports a 330 pounds payload, complemented by 130 mm front and 120 mm rear suspension, hydraulic and regenerative braking, and 17x 2.75-inch off-road tires. The Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 Limited Edition is a top-tier side-by-side vehicle designed for both adventure and utility, powered by a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine. It offers robust performance across various terrains, with a 64-inch stance width and a wet weight of 2,340 pounds, comfortably accommodating 4 passengers. Its suspension system features independent double wishbone with Fox 2.0 QS3 piggyback shocks, providing 14.2 inches of front travel and 13.3 inches at the rear. The RMX 4000 Limited includes a spacious interior, a 7-inch Yamaha Adventure Pro display, a premium MTX audio system, a 600 pounds capacity dumping cargo bed, and a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds. The MSRP starts at $29,200 with a $1,300 destination charge. The Bunell 775 MX EMTB is a revolutionary off-road electric mountain bike priced at $5,495, blending traditional mountain biking with motocross performance. Powered by a 6,000 W peak motor, it reaches a top speed of 40 miles per hour and features a 65 V1, 300 Wh battery, offering a range of 12 to 37 miles, with a charge time under 4 hours. The bike's robust 4130 chromoly front triangle, 6,061 forged aluminum chainstays, and dual-crown Suntour Rux 38 RC Plus fork with 200 mm front and 170 mm rear travel ensure durability and performance. Weighing 75 pounds, it includes Mura MT5 brakes, a Lecky pacemaker twist throttle, and a mullet wheel set for superior control on rugged terrain. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton is a high-performance electric unicycle priced at $3,100, designed for riders seeking power, durability, and comfort. It features a 3000 W high-torque motor with a 7000 W peak, a 126 V2, 220 WH Samsung 50S battery, offering a top speed of up to 50 miles per hour and a range of 30 to 70 miles, depending on conditions. The 80mm adjustable hydraulic suspension ensures a smooth ride, while the 18x 3-inch knobby or street tire options cater to different preferences. Weighing 89 pounds and supporting a 265 pounds load, it includes a top-mounted display, 2000 lumen headlights, rear braking and auto signal lights, and a built-in telescoping trolley handle. With a robust 7071 aluminum alloy chassis and advanced electronics, the Veteran Patton stands out in the electric unicycle market. The 2024 Honda Pioneer 1000 is a versatile side-by-side utility vehicle designed for both work and recreation. It features a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin four-stroke engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, offering manual and automatic modes for adaptable performance. The independent double wishbone suspension provides 10.6 inches of front travel and 10.0 inches at the rear for a smooth ride. With a 2,500 pounds towing capacity and 1,000 pounds bed capacity, 600 pounds for California models, it is built to handle heavy loads. Additional features include electric power steering, turf two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, diff lock modes, and 13.6 inches of ground clearance. The base MSRP starts at $17,600 with a $1,295 destination charge.